Good morning, crypto fam. What a wild 24 hours we've had. So let me break it all down for you. We're starting with some macro madness as markets are pricing in a 97.6% chance of a Fed rate cut, with Fed governors openly discussing multiple cuts ahead. And Poland just delivered their third rate cut this year, down to 4.75%. Speaking of economic shifts, we've hit a milestone that hasn't happened in over 4 years. There are now more unemployed Americans than job openings, which is definitely something to watch. But here's where it gets interesting. Gold just smashed through to a new all-time high of $3,560. And get this, over the past 20 years, both the US stock market and gold have delivered identical returns of 658.4%. Talk about a photo finish. Meanwhile, Trump's tariff strategy is paying off with $31 billion collected in August alone, the highest monthly haul this year, and he's even floating the idea of tariffs replacing federal income tax entirely. On the political front, Congressman Tim Burchett is pushing for a nationwide stock trading ban on politicians, while across the pond, France just slapped Google with a record $380 million fine for privacy violations. Now let's dive into the crypto chaos, because Bitcoin briefly kissed $112,500 before settling around $111,100, and the institutional appetite is absolutely insane right now. BlackRock scooped up 658 Bitcoin worth $72.8 million. ARK21 shares grabbed 658.5 Bitcoin for $72.9 million. Winklevoss-backed Treasury made their debut with 1,000 Bitcoin worth $111 million. And CIMG Inc. added 500 Bitcoin for $55.6 million. The ETF flows tell the whole story. Spot Bitcoin ETFs pulled in $332.8 million yesterday alone, and we're seeing major banks like the $686 billion US bank rolling out Bitcoin custody services and ETF support, while US Bancorp is relaunching their crypto custody for institutions. The Trump family influence continues with their backed American Bitcoin mining company heading to NASDAQ, and Don Jr. declaring this is the start of a new Bitcoin era in America. In the altcoin universe, Polymarket just got CFTC approval to operate crypto prediction markets in the US, which is huge, while the Fed is hosting conferences on stablecoins, tokenization, and AI. Ethereum's validator entry queue is at its highest level in nearly 2 years, and we saw some serious DeFi action with over $1 million flooding into Aquabot's liquidity ladder pool in just 30 minutes. Pump Fun is having a moment, flipping Hyperliquid in 24-hour revenue and handing out $2 million to creators in their first day with the new fee model, while someone decided to sweep 10 CryptoPunks because why not? The real-world asset narrative is heating up with Ondo launching over 100 tokenized stocks and ETFs, and Galaxy Digital announcing they'll tokenize their SEC-registered shares on Solana. Even Ton Foundation is making moves, with their CEO announcing that sending NFTs or crypto is now as easy as messaging on Telegram, which could be a game changer for mass adoption. That's your crypto and markets wrap for today. Hope you found something useful in there, and I'll catch you tomorrow with whatever madness the markets throw at us next.